What happens when your name is not on the mortgage? So, I am an attorney in Illinois. So, my perspective is coming from an Illinois attorney's perspective. But let's talk about what happens when your name is not on the mortgage. In Illinois, you can be the owner of the property. Your name can be on the deed, but your name doesn't necessarily have to be on the mortgage. So I'll give you an example. Let's say there's a husband and a wife. Let's say only one spouse is going to be the borrower or qualifies to be on the mortgage because they have the credit history where the mortgage lender is actually putting the debt in that one spouse's name. However, the other spouse is saying, well, I understand the mortgage is only in my name, but I want to make sure that they're both the owners of the property, meaning that both people's name are on title and both people's name are on the deed. So what that means, practically speaking, is that both partners own the property, but only one partner's name is attached to the mortgage. Typically, that's not an issue. The issue arises is when the spouse who's not on the mortgage needs to talk and deal with the mortgage company. So let's go back to our example. We have one couple, one person's on the mortgage, but both persons' names are on the deed or on title. They're both the owners. But one spouse has to call and ask a question about the mortgage. Sometimes the mortgage company will say, well, I understand that you're the owner, but you're not on the mortgage loan. This is very confusing and difficult sometimes for couples because they keep trying to reiterate, I'm the owner, but the mortgage company can say, I cannot talk to you because you are not the borrower. I cannot have conversations with you because you are not a person who's on this mortgage loan.